What's up, y'all? This is Marcus with Green Solution Commercial Cleaning. It's that time of year again for mobile detailing. I've been inspecting all of my equipment. I had some issues. I done bought 3 of these pumps, the utility pumps. Some of it was my fault. Like this one here is a brand new one. It was my fault. I left it in the van during the winter time. Water froze inside of it, and it cracked my housing right here. This one here, I just want to say just stop running. I think it might need to change the bushings or something in it. But right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to swap the head off of this one, put it on this one. And then I'll go internal on this one to see what's going wrong with it. I had to actually go inside that one to see what's going wrong with it. And I probably know y'all probably saying like, man, how this guy fix all this stuff? Well, my dad is a mechanic by trade, coming up as a young one. I had to watch him in the backyard doing stuff, work on stuff, and a lot of stuff I picked up on my own, a lot of research on my own. But man, when you come from Louisiana, man, it's just in your blood to fix stuff. At least troubleshoot it to see what's going on with it before you just actually throw it away or keep buying new ones. Because these things, man, is $100 a pop. So they tell you right now I done spent $300 on utility pumps. So I can't keep constantly buying utility pumps, even though they helping me run my business. So I'm gonna get to fixing this, man, and I'm just showing y'all a little short video rather, on how to inspect your equipment and fix your own equipment instead of just keep buying stuff yourself, or going to put stuff in the shop rather. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get to fixing this and see what's going on with it, plug it up and give it a shot. And then I'm probably gonna take the bushings out of this one, because you have bushings inside of here that you can replace. But I know this one here stopped running all together, so I'm thinking the bushings gone out. This is a brand new one, and I cracked this one, just neglect, being lazy, didn't break the equipment down during the winter time. But I know next year you live and you learn. All right, man, deuces.